What up, everybody? It's DZ. It's my little brother Joe. Back with another unboxing video. Doing a whole bunch of unboxings and flight tests today. I'm stoked. This video is going to be the UDI Force1 Discovery, the U818A upgrade. It's almost the exact same bird as the old Odyssey, but I think this one just comes with the upgraded camera and upgraded remote. So let's get going with the unboxing. So many boxes, so little time. But you know, I can sit here and unbox these all day long for you, the consumer, because I'm here to help you find quality, affordable birds, and I will not hold back if I find trash. I will let you know exactly what the problem is and exactly what level of trash the product is. If you can't tell, you've already seen my other videos. I was impressed with the first one, and then I came right back to you guys as soon as I had a problem, and I let y'all know. All right, fuselage and landing gear come pre-assembled. This is a ready-to-fly bird. I like these little bumpers. They're pretty flimsy, so they can take a pretty good hit without breaking or anything like that. They're a little stronger from the side. Comes pre-assembled. Brushless motors. No, these are brush motors. I lied. Brush motors. Got your 720p camera down here. It is adjustable. See there? Remember when you said you don't know if you'd be able to see during first person view. It is fully adjustable. My brother was worried about that. He was like, well, if I'm hauling butt with it, what happens when I'm hauling butt with it and I'm looking at the ground? I was like, well, your camera is fully adjustable. So, fuselage. I'm really interested in this little bird here. I'm kind of leery and curious about the flight results on that one. Comes with your charger here for your batteries. 2 batteries stock from Force1. Great thing about Force1 products, they always give you 2 batteries. Sometimes they give you 3. Sometimes they give you 4, depending on what kind of deal you find on Amazon. If it comes from Force1 or USA Toys, you get 2 to 3 to 4 batteries with your product. They'll show you on the picture, you know, and in the description whenever you're going to buy something that it will be coming with extra batteries. But most of the time, it never comes with less than 2. It never, ever, ever comes with less than 2 batteries. You've got 4 gig SD card, extra props, a little screwdriver. There's some extra gears in here. I guess these little teeny gears may be kind of weak, so they send some extra gears. You have your extra charger, so you can charge on the go. This is a little like maybe 800 mAh charger. VR goggles, VR headset, straps. That's kind of cool that they send you the VR headset. I mean, it doesn't look like it's a super great VR headset. It actually, when you put it to your face, it has spots on the side. I mean, but it is what it is. It's free. So here's that. Then you have your phone shade. Comes with a phone shade. And last but not least, this is a hardcore looking controller for what this bird is. I really like this transmitter. I mean, I really do. My transmitter for the other one is not even anywhere close to looking like this, and that's more of a sophisticated, more expensive bird. But the controller looks nothing like this. This controller is freaking awesome. First person view, adjustable. We've got one here so you can adjust the view of the camera, the phone. Great controller. All right, guys, that's it for the UDI 818A. from Force1. We'll see y'all in the next video.